Hey guys, Pete with Mixcat. I think I showed you guys a while back my Kegerator. We're in the Mixcat garage right now. And as you can see, it's an older refrigerator next to my 5,000 watt generator. Kegerator, and I want to class up the joint a little bit. So what I did was I picked up some stick-on tiles. Just got back from Lowe's. That's kind of what I picked up here. And I looked at a bunch of videos on YouTube about people dressing up refrigerators, but I didn't see anyone do it with a tile. And I thought either I can paint it or I can add something to it which should help the insulation out. And Lord knows in Florida, we definitely can use all the insulation we can get. So that's going to be the project here. All right, I'm still using that RCA little mini camera. Take my little handles off here. And we're going to take all the hardware off of this refrigerator. And I'm going to clean it as well. Going to take off the handles here, that way it's a little nice and flat. And yeah, I looked on YouTube and I've seen a lot of people that had Kegerators, and lots of people painted them. I seen a really cheesy looking chrome paint, which was just hideous. You definitely could tell that it was spray painted. It looked pretty rough. So I figured, let me do something totally original that no one else has out there. We'll go with the tile. The bottom will be the hardest, so let me do that first. This style tile, you just pull off the backing, and there's an adhesive on the back, which makes it nice and easy to work with. That's pretty durable too. Yeah, let's notch that out a little bit. Grab a razor. Beautiful, right? Alright, here we go. That's pretty cool. Alright. Well, right over those ugly Bounce energy drink stickers. I've never even seen this Bounce energy drink in the store. It's old, this refrigerator is, but it really does cool good. I cleaned it out nice and worked out good for a Kegerator. too shabby. Wow, looks pretty good. Not too bad. Oh, my wife just came in and she approves of the tile. I might actually do some of this in the house. I'll show you guys a shot of what we got. We bought this house about 2.5 years ago from a bank auction, and they have linoleum in here, and it's a rough linoleum. Now, I really wanted to do tile, but this looks pretty dang good. And at $20 a box, I can do a nice upgrade in the house pretty cheap. Well, I'll definitely do a video on that. You guys will be seeing that soon. Really easy stuff to work with, but of course when you do it on the floor, you want to prep the floor properly. Again, this is my garage. I'm not really too concerned with the kegerator so much. I'm going to have a pretty pimped out kegerator. What you think, guys? Not too bad, right? Let's get that bounces out of there. That pretty neat. And we'll have to take the spout out, clean that up, and it's a good time to clean the whole thing. I'm just using a water and a little bit of vinegar solution. That cleans pretty good. What a facelift, huh? And I'm probably going to have to bang out with the hammer a little bit. Just want it to be flush. It's better. On the back of this, it's got a large wing nut. There's the keg. I got the CO2 on the side. I keep all my yeast in here for when I make wine or beer. See, it's just a double barbed end. I usually end up cutting it, and every time I clean it, that hose ends up shrinking until I put a new one to the end. And all these hoses I'm going to put in the Sanistar solution, and that's what sterilizes it. In Sanistar, you never have to worry about that stuff, or PVW. Matter of fact, or PVW. That's what it's kind of like OxyClean. Some people do use OxyClean, but that's a food grade cleaner, so it's completely safe. Yeah, if I had a kegerator when I was in college, I'd have been in trouble. Better I didn't have it. Look at that, huh? I'm gonna have to cut these guys to size. That's beautiful. That's some good tile. So when you think about a regular ceramic, they chip pretty easy. This is kind of, it's not rubbery, but it's got a flexible texture to it. So if you drop the cup, I'm thinking this wouldn't make a mark at all. Kind of something to consider. It's really strong. All right, show you the stick it back in. Bam. My Pete's Wicked Ale. That beer is kind of, but it's my namesake, so gotta have that on there. That's awesome. There it is, guys. I'm pretty excited with it. And just picture right about there, my little beer catcher for the drips. But there you go, stick-on tiles. What a nice facelift.